Sending money from abroad to India has become incredibly convenient with digital platforms like Remitly. Whether you're supporting family or paying for services, Remitly money transfer to India is known for being fast and reliable. But what if your transfer is getting delayed? Here's everything you need to know and what steps to take. First, let's understand how Remitly send money to India works. When you initiate a transfer, you choose the amount, delivery speed, either economy or express, and the recipient's details. Express transfers are usually completed within minutes if you use a debit or credit card, while economy transfers take 3 to 5 business days. Sometimes, however, delays happen. If your money transfer to India Remitly is taking longer than expected, here's what you should do. Check Remitly status page. You can visit www.remitly.com/help or log into your account to check the transfer status. It could be pending due to, additional verification or just bank processing time. So, confirming recipient details is super important. Even a small error in the account number or IFSC code can cause delays, Always double check the recipient's information before you hit send. Oh, and here's something to keep in mind. Transfers may be delayed if you initiate them during Indian bank holidays or weekends. It's just how the banking system works. If things still seem off, don't worry. Just reach out to Remitly India customer support through the app or website. They offer 24/7 help and can give you specific updates about your transfer. Sometimes, in rare situations, your transfer might get held up due to regulatory reasons. Remitly could ask you for some extra documents just to make sure everything's in line with local laws. To steer clear of delays in your future transfers, it's a good idea to always double-check the recipient's details. Keep your documents handy, and if it's really urgent, go for express delivery. Remitly in India is regulated and works with major banks like HDFC, ICICI, Axis Bank, and SBI. You can track your transfer anytime using the Remitly app or website. You can also visit https://www.rbi.org.in to understand India's inward remittance guidelines. Using Remitly India is safe, fast, and efficient. But if delays occur, staying informed and proactive ensures your funds reach their destination smoothly.